and welcome back. So today's video is a special one because believe it or not, but it has taken me almost a month to shoot this video. So a few months back I posted a video of decorating my room during quarantine and it is currently the most watched video on this channel. If you have not watched it, you should definitely go and watch it, but after this one, okay? So I wanted to make a few changes in my balcony. So if you want to see what I did, stay tuned, and for that, let's begin. So this is how the balcony looks right now, and also this is like my small cozy corner. And I don't want to fill this up by adding unnecessary things because the space is already very limited. So the first thing that I decided to do is to paint the grills and the pipe, and I have chosen this yellow color and I'm using this brush. Now that is because मेरे रूम के जो curtains है वो भी yellow है, and also I just love yellow color in general. It's a bright color, right? So now the paint that I'm going to apply is very thick in consistency and sticky too. So don't forget to wear gloves. And now let's begin the painting process. So this is day 2. So yesterday what happened was that it looked super easy, but it took me a lot of time. The whole process was very time consuming. मतलब मुझे लगा था that it will take me hardly 2 to 3 hours, but it took me good 6-7 hours, and also because the color is yellow it's a light color and पहले black था, so now you know I will have to apply at least 2 to 3 coats to cover the black. So this is going to take me a whole week at least. Okay, so I'm finally done with the whole painting thing, and this is how it looks. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. Now once we are done with the coloring part, I wanted to add some plants because balcony में थोड़ी greenery तो होनी चाहिए, right? And also at the same time, I didn't want to fill my space because the space is limited. So I decided to get these little planters. So these are 5 planters and it's so cute. So the next thing that I wanted to do was something on the wall because the wall is completely blank. So I had a few designs in my mind and I also searched on Google and Pinterest, but I couldn't really find anything specifically. So I thought of doing this stencil art that I found on YouTube. If you want to see that video, I will link it down below. And this is my version of recreating it. Okay, so for this we obviously need a stencil. You can also buy online, but I made my own stencil. So I have taken a paper, a thick paper drawing sheet. Also I will be using acrylic paint and brush. This is the design that I found on Google. I searched for stencil photos on Google and this is the one that I have chosen. Now I'm just going to trace this design on the white sheet and just put it like this. So before painting, I had already made some comparisons कि कैसे मुझे अपना pattern चाहिए, how I want it to look, and what color will suit. I wanted it to look this way और कहाँ पे positioning होगी of the birds. And I didn't have a big scale, so I just ended up using my hands to measure the distance between the birds. So I had to make sure that there is equal distance between the figures, and I think it is a great trick. So I'm attaching the paper on the wall with the help of sellotape. To make it a bit precise, I am now using a thin brush. Also, it's a very good hack for people who are not good at drawing but still want to be creative. I'm so happy with how this has turned out. It looks so simple and elegant. It is definitely my favorite. So now next up, I'm going to add a tiny decorative piece. Now I have two of these and I have already used one of them in my room makeover video. I was already very happy with how this has turned out because it looks really nice, but I just wanted to add some finishing touches, and that is this rug that I got from Amazon a few days back. It is so colorful and bright, and also I'm going to keep this tool, and with this I can say that it is completely ready. So that is it for today, and let me know which one did you like the most. Mine was definitely the stencil art that I did. And on that note, I'll see you next time. Bye.